2020 Corolla reverse bulb replacement. So I got my driver's side reverse bulb out. Now a way you could do this if you're by yourself, if you want to check it, is take your key, turn your car to accessories, which is with the engine off but your dash lights on, and then make sure your e-brake is set, and then you could put your car in reverse. Again, this is with the engine off, so the car shouldn't be going anywhere, but it'll light up your lights in the back, so you could tell which lights are working. This is the passenger side, but my other side's out. So what you want to do is you want to pop your trunk, come over here, get a tool like this or something similar that could do this function, and we're going to pop some clips out right here. Only about 2 or 3 of them need to come out on the left side here. What you do is you just get something like this underneath them and just kind of wiggle them out. These are called like Christmas tree clips. Once they come out, you can put them back in if they don't break. You want to pull this fabric down a little bit. Now once you got this fabric down, this little white connector or gray connector, you twist it to the outside of the vehicle, and then you kind of like unlock it, and then you you unscrew the socket, pull it down, and you can pull the bulb out. The bulb is a 921 reverse bulb. Very common bulb. You should be able to get it at auto parts store. I will link it in the description. Put your new one in, and then test it out. And then you just put this in, you just screw it and twist it the opposite direction to lock it in place. Make sure it locks in place though. Also, if you're having problems with your lights burning out, there's a little harness right here that can mess up over time, and you can get this little harness. It's like a couple inches long. Get that and try it out. Hey, what's up guys? I want to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.